Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to do my nails again. Save myself $85 by doing it myself. And these are the Color FX by imPRESS press-on nails. So I'm going to put these on. It's a pretty pink. It's really shimmery. These have been on for over 3 weeks now. So as you can see, they're still on. Okay? Yeah, I don't use any glue. They're still on. But my hair is getting stuck under the nails from where my nails have grown out. And these are kind of moving. The nails are kind of moving. So it's time for them to come off. But they do last. Okay, so I'm going to take these out the box and sort them to fit my nails. And I'll be back. I want to show you that everything you need comes in the box. You got the little orange stick. It's not orange, but an alcohol pad, and it got a little tiny fingernail file. Can you see it? Right there. And the alcohol pad is in the box. So, and they come like this. These are there, and these are in here, so I have to sort them. In the meanwhile, I'm going to take these off. Let me show you how easy it is. Like I said, these been on for 3 weeks. Just put the tip under here. You can pull them up. And they don't damage your nails at all. I'll get the glue off later. It don't damage the nails. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And I've never had one to fall off at all, ever. And I'm not using any glue remover or anything. I ain't soaking my fingers. There's glue on here, but I'm going to get it off. The adhesive that's on the nail. So I'm going to go off. Let me show you. I just rub this adhesive off.
You did all that just to throw that down there. Make it hard for me to get. Why you do that?
I'm going to have to trim my nails again. So I'll be back. Jiair, you want to say hi to the honeys? You want to say hi to the honeys? Say hi. Say hi. What you pointing at now, boy? Yeah. He's 15 months old, y'all. Big old baby. This is Jiair. Look, you see yourself? You see the telephone over here, and you saying hello. Say hi to the honey. Say hi. Well, tell him bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You see yourself? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. See you later, alligator. Are you going to sit here and act nice while I do my nails?
No.
No? You going to act nice, Jiair?
No.
Yes, you are. Can you be a good boy for a few minutes? Yes. Say yes. Yes. What are you pointing at? Huh? What you doing? You clowning? Okay. You want to go see Dada? You want to see Dada?
Dada.
Dada? Say Big Mama. Big Mama. Say Big Mama. He calls me Dad also. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got the nails sorted out. I prepped my fingernails, meaning, of course, I washed my hands. I cut my nails since I got the short nails. You can tell by the sizing on the box. S for short. Sometimes I wear the medium, but I like the short. And I pushed the cuticles back. So now I'm going to use my own alcohol pad again to clean the nails. Make sure there's no oil or lotion or any residue on my nails. I'm also going to clean the fingertips because they hold grease too and lotion. Okay, let them dry for a couple seconds. And you see on here I got my nails sorted out from the baby finger to the thumb for both hands. Okay, these nails have the glue tab already on there. I'm going to show you. See, I don't know if you can see the glue tab. There it is, you can see it. And the tab end goes close to the cuticle. So you put it on the right way. So I'm just going to peel the tab off. It's easy to peel off. And put the nail on. Put it at a 45-degree angle. Look at it, make sure it's on straight. You don't want no crooked nails. And then press. That's it. We'll do the baby finger on the other hand. Once again, here's the tab. I'm going to pull it off. You don't have to use any glue. Pull the tab off. You see that tab? Put the tab end toward the cuticle. Don't do it upside down. It won't look right. Make sure it's straight. No, it's kind of crooked. And then mash. And if you're between sizes, go for the smaller size. That's what I do. But these fit me pretty good. And there are 30 nails in the box, so I can do a second and maybe a third manicure. I don't use the nails over. Okay, I'm going to go, maybe I'll do a couple more fingers. This is the ring finger. So I'm going to pull the tab off. There's the tab. The adhesive tab, that's what I'm talking about. Put this on at an angle so it kind of goes up under the cuticle that I have already prepared. I've already pushed it. Let me do the other one on the other hand. Pull this tab off. Go at an angle. Make sure it's straight. It's straight. So press it. And ain't nothing supposed to hurt. If it hurts, you ain't doing it right. This doesn't hurt at all. So I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my fingers and I'll be back. Okay, I'm through with my manicure with the Kiss Color FX by imPRESS. Press on nails. Look at that, y'all. Aren't they gorgeous? And they will last up to 3 weeks. And I did it myself. It took about 10 minutes. And you can get a manicure for within $10. I think this was less than $10. Sometimes I get them from Walmart. Sometimes I buy them from Amazon or Walgreens. They have them too. And there's enough left to do another manicure. And you can even mix and match them, like pink or red or blue or green. So I think it looks pretty nice. And they do have some with designs, but I'm not into all of that. I like shimmer. I like color and I like a shimmer. I don't like the matte nails. I like this. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And once again, these are the Kiss Color FX by imPRESS. Kiss also has nails that needs glue, but if it says imPRESS, they got the built-in sticky adhesive tabs on them, and they don't need any glue. So make sure it says imPRESS. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.